Hey guys, I am Raghav Nagpal and I'm making this quick video to talk about the cutoff of one of the best college of Maharashtra and which is VJTI, Veer Mata Jijabai Technological Institute, Maharashtra. And this is government aided institute and one of the best college of engineering and for few other courses in whole Maharashtra. Now, in Maharashtra, there are IIT Bombay, and then there are so many different colleges, NITs, etc. But this college, after all those colleges, after all those government colleges which we get through JEE Mains, JEE Mains and JEE Advance, उनके बाद अगर कोई एक कॉलेज जो बहुत अच्छे कॉलेज है उनके अंदर नाम आता है कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग पुणे का, लाइक वन ऑफ द कॉलेजेस कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग पुणे, एंड देन द नेम्स कम इज VJTI मुंबई. VJTI मुंबई के अंदर खास बात यह है कि फॉर ईयर्स देयर इज बिन debate between like which college is perfect, like whether it is College of Engineering Pune or whether it is VJTI. But उस debate को settle कर देते हैं और उस debate की settlement ये है like whichever college you join doesn't matter, you'll eventually get placed in some good company and eventually you'll learn something really great that will help you for forever in your life. So these are few colleges like VJTI Mumbai and College of Engineering Pune, and then NITs and IITs and triple ITs. Like these are the perfect institute if you want to do bachelor of technology in engineering in any branch, like whether it's even production engineering, there are scope for production engineering students as well. And even after that the production engineering students learn the computer science syllabus and then they get placed in IT companies as well. So it's just one of the perfect opportunities for all of you diploma students to take admission in one of the best colleges of Maharashtra and then just enjoy your life and get placed in some really good company. So in this video I'm going to talk about VJTI Mumbai, Veer Mata Jijabai Technological Institute, Mumbai, and then before that I already made video on College of Engineering Pune, so you can also see on the display that this is the College of Engineering Pune and this is the link. When you'll open the link you will find out the cutoffs of College of Engineering Pune. So I'm making this video, so it's just that I'm making this video to let you guys know that what is the cutoff for all the computer science branch and all other branches in VJTI, because इंटरनेट के ऊपर अवेलेबल है PDF वगैरह में, बट इट्स जस्ट नॉट क्वाइट क्लियर इन ऑल दो सर्कमस्टेंसेज, लाइक वट एवर द रिजर्वेशंस इज देयर एंड देन देयर आर सम सब ग्रुप्स एंड मेजर ग्रुप्स एंड देन मेन ग्रुप्स एंड सब ग्रुप्स एंड अदर ग्रुप्स. सो वट आर दीज एंड everything is not cleared in the PDFs. So in this video I'll explain you everything. So if I jump right into the video and if I tell you about the cutoff, so first branch which is the best branch you can ever get in the Bachelor of Technology, which is Computer Engineering branch. And for general students, general open category students, the cutoff for VJTI is 98.74 percentile. Now what is 98.74 percentile? 98.74 is aggregate of your whole together semesters of diploma. So it's just not that the final semester of diploma, not the third semester, sixth semester, okay, 1 2 3 4, not the sixth semester of diploma, but it's actually the total aggregate percentage of all the semesters of diploma. So 98.74 percentile is the first round cutoff. The PDF that you are seeing on your display right now is for the first round, because there are, like previous year there were 2 rounds and then 2019-20 batch there were 3 rounds. So for 2020 and 2021 batch there were 2 rounds, and after that colleges released their cutoff lists, and then those were like the remaining the unclaimed seats in those colleges specifically they released on their own websites. So I don't have data for that, but you can always go on the website of the respective college and then download the remaining seats, and the remaining seats are released in somewhere by the end of September, October. So right now it's 2022, it's 2021, 22 August 2021 it's right now. So the 23 August is the last date for applying for diploma admissions, direct second year admissions for diploma students. So if you want to apply for DT counseling and etc., so you can just watch my previous video. You'll see the link of that video in I section, whether or in the description box also. So you can just go click on that video and you can understand each and every process I explained in that 33 minutes video, that how can you take admission in any of these colleges that are present on this cutoff list, and all the links of this cutoff PDFs are also available in the description box, so you can just check out those also. Now, for computer engineering, general open category, the cutoff is 98.74 percentile for the first round. Now, for general students, usually the seats end in the first round only. So, if you have 98 plus percentage in your diploma, there are chances that you'll get computer science in this college. Or if you have 95 plus percentage, there are chances that you'll get at least one branch, whether it is metallurgical or something, you will get at least one branch in this college if you have aggregate percentage above 95% in your diploma. And same goes for College of Engineering Pune. The cutoffs are like almost similar, in like they have 98.1 for 99.1 for something, but if you fall into category of 98 plus percentage, you should definitely fill in the choice filling round, you should definitely fill VJTI and COEP in the first and second option computer science branch. So now for general SC category scheduled caste, for scheduled caste students, there is 95.33 percentage or aggregate percentage in diploma, and for OBC other backward classes there is 97.31. And for L is for ladies, so ladies scheduled tribe it's 85.49, and ladies other backward classes is 95.75, and economically weaker section it's 97.54. So it's actually 98.7 for general open category, and economically weaker section is 97.54, and it's actually a huge difference. So I would suggest you guys to apply for economically weaker section certificate, and I can assure you that government doesn't care if you, even if you do not belong from economically weaker section, you should apply for this certificate. And because they usually ask like whether what is your annual income, unless and until your governments are in government job, parents are in government job, you cannot do that. But if you are like, if your father or anyone is holding their own business, having their own business, they can always make economically weaker section certificate. Now next thing is like, let's go to the next branch, which is information technology branch. Now for information technology branch, it's second best branch, of course, after computer science there comes the information technology. And for this general open, it's 97.89, and economically weaker section is 96.86. And I again suggest you to just apply for economically weaker section certificate, and then just like apply in the choice filling round, just fill up this VJTI economic information technology. And after that we can go to computer engineering, we already checked. Now so now coming on to the next, which is electronics engineering. And for electronics engineering, the cutoff is 97 percentile for general, and for economically weaker section it's 94 percentile, and for ladies open it's 98.11, and scheduled caste is 96, and for ladies other backward classes, ladies belong from other backward classes, girls belong from other backward classes, 94.94 percentage. So now next is electronics and telecommunication, 98.5. it's just the cutoff also depends on the seat matrix, like how many seats are available in that particular college in that particular branch. So if you want to check out the seat matrix, the link is also provided in the description. Like even you should check, like if you want to take admission in electronics and telecommunication in COP, and there are no seats left for the electronics and telecommunication or production engineering, so you cannot apply for that college because the seats in that specific branch are not available. So you should research from some other colleges. That's why you should always look at the seat matrix before looking at the cutoffs. Now for electronics and telecommunication, for economically weaker section is 95.53 percentage. So it's quite a difference between the general open and then economically weaker section. So you should like take a look at all these cutoffs. Now for electrical engineering, for general students it's 97.44, and economically weaker section is 96 percentage. And then mechanical engineering for general again 97, and economically weaker section is 96.11, 96.51. So you can all the links of PDFs are provided in the description, so you can just go in the description and click on these links and can check out all the cutoffs. Now for the production engineering, for general open it's 94.82, and economically weaker section it's 90.76. So and then textile technology, the decent branch, and then 89.05 for general, and EWS it's 80.9. So you should definitely take a look for textile technology. But again, if you are from computer science, you won't like prefer going to textile, so this is the simple mathematics. But if you are looking for textile technology, you should definitely like choose between Veer Mata or College of Engineering Pune, because these are two of the best colleges, and then the cutoffs are also very low. Now coming on to the second round. The second round is something like, in the first round I left the civil engineering branch. I feel like, yes, for the civil engineering, the 97% for general open, and for economically weaker section is 97.53. Now coming on to the second, which is cutoff cap round 2 for admission in direct second year, common admission process round 2, and for common admission process round 2 for computer engineering, for other group, it's ladies other backward classes seats are only available, and nothing for the any other category. So no seats available for any other category. For ladies other backward classes, the cutoff percentage was 95.75 percentile, and then for electronics engineering, the seats 93.88. That's it for like this. Electronics engineering, it's 96 percentile. For again, no seats available for general category, students belong from general open category. So it's quite sad that only in the first round all the seats get usually over, and there are no seats left for any other students who belong from general category. Like the cutoffs are always these high, like 98 percentile you need at least for computer science engineering in either College of Engineering Pune or Veer Mata. So you should prepare according to that. If you are planning to take admission in 2022, you should like definitely at least score 99 percentile in your last 2 semesters of diploma. That actually makes difference, because it's easier to make percentage in last 2 semesters of diploma, and quite tough to make in good percentage above 96-97 percentage in first 2 semesters of diploma. So definitely try to at least maintain 98 plus 99 percentile in last 2 semesters of your diploma. Now in third round, the seats are only remaining in textile technology and for general or other backward classes, and the cutoff was 74.11 percentile. So again, it's like not something which you always want to see, because there are so many students want to take admission in so many good colleges. But if the government has tag of government aided autonomous, you should understand that it's one of the best colleges that you can ever get for your BTech. And there are not so many colleges that have this, because these are the colleges established in something 1960s, so like 70 years back from now. So just this value of these colleges are on next level. So these colleges are just provide you great exposure, and then provide you great learning experience. You make great friends, like the whole life gets easier after getting selected in these colleges. So definitely you should work hard to take admission in these colleges, not something like, okay, I'll take something decent college, the third degree college, and then I'll prepare from some coding rounds and anything from other coding ninjas and coding blocks and then get the job. So it should not be like that, because college doesn't only provide you the placement, but it also provides you the best alumni network that you can ever get, and also the best experience, the possible experience that you can ever get. And then the great teachers and great friends always comes in handy. So always work hard if you are planning to take admission in any of these colleges. And thank you so much for watching this video. I usually make these kinds of video, but this video I thought like I should make, and I didn't have any other content planned, so I made this video. So make sure to like this video if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe my channel. So check out the description box. Everything you need to know is available in the description box also. So thank you so much for watching this video, and have a nice day.